Hey everyone, welcome into 2026. We are back with the KataLYST Kickoff here, January 18th, 2026 here. We're going to jump in. We've had a lot to cover over the last few weeks. So let's get you all updated here and get you back to this week, kicking it off here. So we really only saw one new listing hit the market in the last few weeks, which is not surprising. Holidays here, Christmas, New Year's as well. I do expect to see a lot of new listings coming out in the next couple of weeks because that's kind of the typical market trends. But 4001 Orleans Avenue, Sioux City, Iowa, 51106. 1.96 million, 24 units, 81,666 per unit, $131.51 price per square foot, and a 7.65% cap rate. We did see a few other quote unquote listings at the market. Most of them have actually been listed previously. They're just getting re-upped in the market, or they have prices dropped, or they're just fourplexes, duplexes, or not quite 8 units as well, which we only track again 8 units and above here on the KataLYST Kickoff. So that's all we've seen. However, we have seen a ton of property sell in the last week, which is not surprising. Again, end of the year here, we're going to see a lot of sales come out trying to make it to the end. So first one here in Des Moines, 2727 82nd Place, Urbandale, Iowa, 22,121 units, 181,818 price per unit, and 105.69 price per square foot. Newer product built about 2005 here as well, which is why you're seeing that really high price per unit there, hit there, and a good price per square foot. 5705 Merle Hay Road, Johnson, Iowa. Here's the 72 units, 11.8 million. I've seen this property before. I know it. It was actually a Freddie Mac deal. I'm assuming it was replaced. 163,888 price per unit. $146.48 price per square foot. Again, also built in about 2012 or so, 2013. Really nice property here. Great location next to a lot of stuff happening on Merle Hay, next to the Hy-Vee there. Great spot. I looked at it for a while, over a couple of years tracking it, so not surprised to see that. 4205 Park Avenue, Des Moines, Westtown Parkways. Apartments, 29.15 million, 315 units, 92,246 price per unit, and $74.11 price per square foot. A very large sale there. Not a bad price per square foot, a little bit of a 1980s product out there. I really like that property. It's a great location, kind of a niche in the market here. So I'm not surprised to see that one go for a pretty good price. And a pretty good price per square foot, quite honestly. I think it could be a good deal for them. Big units, a little bit older, so don't let that price per unit scare you. That price per square foot's pretty good. Then we have to pivot all the way over to Cedar Rapids. Our friends there, Ross Quintero, Josh Kirby at Stanbro, sold to me and said we don't have all the pricing yet on it. If you want, we can reach out to them, or if you're wanting to reach out to us, we can get it. 4033rd Avenue Southwest, Cedar Rapids, Iowa, 8.06 million, 84 units. These are townhome style units. That's why you're seeing that higher price per unit, especially for Cedar Rapids. $96,011 is the average price per unit here. We don't have the price per square foot and cap rate, but I know Ross and Josh great. They're awesome guys. They do a great work. So if you want to reach out to them, and congrats on getting that sale across the line. We're going to pivot all the way now over to West Burlington here, East Iowa, which is 721 Swan Street, West Burlington, Iowa, 1.8 million, 31 units, 58,065 is the price per unit, $60.99 price per square foot, and an 8.27% cap rate, probably an actual cap rate there as well. Just looking at the price per square foot and the actual price per unit here. So nice little property there. Continuing on with this theme here, 514 Lane Drive, West Burlington, Iowa here, 8 million, 52 units, 153,856 price per unit, $143.28 price per square foot. So a lot newer product they're selling. You can see kind of the discrepancy, the differences there. My quarter report is coming out here, so be on the lookout. If you do want my quarter report and you don't get it, drop a comment below. We'll make sure to get it to you as well. But I want to point this out because this is a great example of it here. We are seeing here, when I did the quarter report and the annual report breaking down 2025, all across Iowa, we're seeing the older properties sell at about half of new construction, new builds in terms of price per square foot and price per unit here. So something to look forward to. If you're buying older properties, 60s, 70s vintage here, it's selling about half of what new stuff is going for. You can see it there in the Burlington really, really nice as we look at it right there. Then 302 6th Street, Glenwood, Iowa, $3 million, 26 units, $115, 404 price per unit, and $186.12 price per square foot. Most of these didn't have a lot of cap rates to it, or they don't share them again. They were unpriced originally here. So hard to find all the cap rates for some of these deals. Obviously, cap rates lie a lot as well, whether it's pro forma or actuals. So no cap rates to share right now. Upcoming this week, we have a big week. We have Monday off. Obviously, our GDP numbers for Thursday coming out, as well as core CPI on Thursday as well. So big news for all of us to watching the economy here to see how the economy is doing. Is it growing or not, shrinking? And CPI numbers, of course, which are helping drive interest rates. That is your Catalyst Kickoff here. Happy New Year. Happy 2026. Let's go make it great here. Any questions, as always, just text me 515-639-0145, and we'll see you next week.